if somebody posts something on social media, can the government ask the social media to strike it down, take it off, or does it need a court order, or can the police still come and arrest the person? So what is, I'm sure everybody as a netizen would love to know that whatever we post on Facebook, what can happen to us, and what do the rules say about it?
So when the act was struck down, means that particular section 66A was struck down in year 2015 judgment, still police made use of this particular provision of 66A, that words are defamatory or annoying or abusing somebody, etc., etc. So basically we have to understand whether there has to be some regulations on the words used on social media or not, because as a citizen, various times you feel offended by some comments made on this particular social media, and you don't have any mechanism available with you to remove or to take action against those particular words. So this is very, what I can say, catch-22 situation, and government wanted to have some sort of mechanism. So presently also there are certain provisions through this particular intermediary guidelines where you yourself can directly report to the portal, for which grievance officer or compliance officer provisions are there, that if something is obscene and if you want to take it away immediately, provisions are already there in these intermediary guidelines where you did not go to police, file a complaint, etc., etc. You should write immediately to that particular social media grievance officer, and he is bound to take down those particular contents. But in certain circumstances, if it is related to child pornography, sexual contents, harassing, means making use of morph pictures, etc., and defaming somebody, so those are provisions which are very well available under these new intermediary guidelines. So with help of those particular provisions, means intermediaries certainly, or social media platform certainly act. And I won't name any particular platform, but I have very good experience. If it is related to pornography or related to child pornography, these platforms act very fast, and they do have their own guidelines available with them. Means it is not that these platforms are liable for transmitting these sort of contents, but when it happens, when words are used, languages are used, and then it is a matter of interpretation, what we call it as a defamation, and then we have to resort to court. But when it is very clear from the act or from the pictures which are available, intermediary guidelines certainly have those particular provisions to take down. So one relief which we have through this particular intermediary guidelines is we can directly approach these intermediaries, their grievance officers, and they will redress that particular mechanism. Otherwise, we can approach law enforcement agency, show them this is the situation. They are certain, means every police officer means unit, some officer is designated to coordinate with these particular intermediaries, and with the request or directions of these particular police officers, intermediaries do take down. And as most of us know how courts move, so if we want to go to court and take down certain contents, it will take years together, and that will not be, means that will be defeating purpose of that particular content. So speedier mechanism as far as pornography or child pornography or sexual content, this is already there. Everybody in the webinar should know this particular provision, that they themselves can directly report to grievance officer and get those particular contents taken down or removed. Second mechanism is police action is there, police can direct, and third is then resolving to the court. So these are what broadly mechanisms I see